Dental bridges are the most common alternative to replacing missing teeth in order to restore the aesthetics and function that your smile. It is a preferred option among those who want to bridge dental gaps as well as improve their dental well-being. One of the main things to think about when buying dental bridges is the price. In Europe, having dental bridges may be expensive, with costs varying in accordance with the country of origin as well as the particular treatment that is required. In contrast, Turkey has become a very popular place to visit for dental tourists, as many choose to go there for cheap quality dental services. How much will it cost you to buy the dental bridge in Europe as compared to Turkey? Let's examine the prices on bridges for teeth across these two countries. In Europe, costs for dental bridges varies greatly according to the location the patient is. If you live in countries like those of the UK, Germany, and France, the prices of dental bridges are quite excessive due to the cost of expenses associated with running dental practices in these areas. The cost of a bridge for a tooth in Europe is ranging between €500 up to €2,000 per tooth. This makes it a substantial investment for a lot of people. But in Turkey, there is a cost for dental bridges are lower than Europe. Turkey has gained a name for offering high-quality dental treatment with a fraction of expense, making Turkey a desirable place to visit for dental tourism. In the average, the price of a bridge for a tooth in Turkey is ranging between €200 up to €800 per tooth. This makes it an incredibly cost-effective option for those who want to purchase dental bridges. Dental bridges are less expensive in Turkey does not mean that you need to give up high quality. A lot of dental facilities within Turkey come with the latest technologies and are run by expertly trained and skilled dental specialists who are able to give top quality care to patients. Indeed, many patients who've traveled to Turkey to get dental treatments are impressed with the care that they received as well as the results they obtained. Therefore, if you're thinking about getting dental bridges but you are worried about cost, then you might want to think about visiting Turkey to get treatments. It is not just a way to cut costs on the price of dental bridges, you also get to take your time in a gorgeous country as you receive the dental services you're looking for. In the end, the costs for dental bridges within Europe could be very high, and it is difficult for a lot of people to get the treatment. But in Turkey, there is a lower cost for bridges for dental purposes is far cheaper, which is why it's an extremely popular place in the field of dental tourism. If you're planning to have dental bridges installed but you are concerned over the price, you should consider going to Turkey for treatment. There you can get high-quality care for your teeth with a fraction of expense.